Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through a simple step on how to change your name on Cooking Craze. Changing your name on Cooking Craze is a simple and a straightforward process. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Open your Cooking Craze application and sign into it. From the main home page that looks like this, tap on the gear button appearing at the top right, or it can also appear at the bottom right. After tapping on it, this will open up the settings menu. Tap on the green pencil icon right under settings and tap on your pencil icon one more time on the next page. Erase the current name and type in the new name you'd want to set for your account. After you are done, you can tap on the OK button to save your change. And that is how you can easily change your name on Cooking Craze. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.